Let's see a few more interesting things we can do with turtles. We've got another little spiral, but in this case, we're not seeing the whole line. Tess is moving around and only leaving her imprint occasionally. So how did that happen? First, as before, we've seen things where Tess is getting a color, in this case blue. We also changed her shape. So instead of being that little abstract triangle representing a turtle, now Tess really looks like a turtle. On line 9, we introduced a new method called up. What that does is lift the pen up off the paper so that when Tess moves, she doesn't leave a line behind her. As before, we have a for loop. So 30 times we're going to execute that whole block of code. On line 11, we have a new method called stamp, which basically stamps Tess's shape at the current location where Tess is. And the rest of the things are things that you've seen before. He's moving forward. The distance is increasing a little bit each time. That's what makes it a spiral.